Hello everyone and welcome to Nemox. I'm Marina Guerra, Sales Director. I am proud to show you today the result of 2 years of research that Nemox led to renew the range of our products and make them environmental friendly. As you know, to make gelato or ice cream, you need to generate the cold. That freezes the mix of ingredients. The cold is created thanks to the use of greenhouse gases though, which are, however, the main responsible of the increase in global warming. And this is the link between the production of ice cream and the need to protect the environment. Hence, Nemox's decision to intervene and eliminate these gases from its machines. The video that I show you now illustrates the problems of the greenhouse gases.
Welcome to Nemox. If you're here, it's for an important reason. A project you hold dear because it's designed to protect the only planet we have, our Earth. We are an Italian company dedicated to the research, development and production of gelato and ice cream machines, both for professional and domestic use. You may think, what does ice cream have to do with the environmental protection? That's why I'm here. I want to tell you how Nemox decided to play its part in what is the most important global emergency: climate change. Climate change is the name used to define the process of raising the global average temperature, a phenomenon recorded in the last 100 years, since 1860. The warming of the planet is today responsible for the increase in frequency and duration of extreme events, such as heavy rainfall, floods, and droughts. Faced with such a dramatic scenario, we are all called upon to act. Ignoring the problem will lead to terrifying consequences if projected over time, according to mathematical models. Who is responsible for all this? How can we act to reverse this trend? Human beings are mainly responsible, and every human being can do their part. We at Nemox decided to act on the most critical factors of our sector, the polluting gases used in the chilling of ice cream machines. Let's take a step back. What is the link between polluting gases and global warming? At around 20 miles above its surface, the Earth is protected by an ozone layer that absorbs high-energy ultraviolet radiation, dangerous for the health of all living organisms. In the past years, the ozone layer was eroded by chlorofluorocarbons, CFC, released by refrigerators, aerosol sprays and industrial plants, gases capable of compromising this protective layer, causing an actual hole over the Antarctic. To remedy the problem, world leaders signed the Montreal Protocol in 1987, an international agreement that imposed the gradual reduction of CFC production by replacing them with hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs. Currently, the CFC emergency is being resolved, but another problem has emerged on the horizon: the industrial use of HFCs. Hydrofluorocarbons, or HFCs, bear a significant responsibility. They contribute to the gradual increase of the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is, in itself, a natural mechanism that has ensured the warming of the planet from its origins. A layer of gas envelopes the Earth, causing the sun's rays to bounce off the surface and ensure optimal living conditions. However, in recent years, the activities of humankind have increased the emissions of greenhouse gases, thereby causing the planet to overheat. Hydrofluorocarbons are among the most polluting categories, with a capacity of retaining heat up to 12,500 times greater than carbon dioxide, and persisting in the atmosphere for more than 100 years. At Nemox, this was our starting point: how to make a good, healthy gelato at the global level. By totally eliminating the use of polluting gases and reducing to the utmost the impact of our gelato and ice cream machines. A small step for the planet, a revolution in our sector.
Faithful to the company's motto of producing tomorrow's equipment today, at the beginning of 2018, Nemox decided to launch a research project that would allow to exclude or at least reduce as much as possible the use of greenhouse gases from our products. Thus, the Icegreen project was launched, which in this 3 years period has made it possible to transform the company, the production plants, and ultimately to create a whole series of innovative products. The following video illustrates the path.
In Nemox, we decided to eliminate hydrofluorocarbons without altering the efficiency of the equipment and the quality of the end product, the Icegreen. So the Icegreen project was launched with the aim of supplying professional machines that can produce gelato and ice cream with enviable organoleptic characteristics through tools with the minimum environmental impact. We know our history well. Nemox was founded in 1986 and since then has produced more than 6.5 million gelato and ice cream machines, distributed throughout the world. Thanks to the participation of more than 30 professionals in the field of research, development, engineering, production, sale and distribution, Nemox operates in more than 70 countries around the world, creating products that are completely made in Italy. The drive for new technological models, together with care for the issue of sustainability, led Nemox to search for the best performing solutions from the environmental point of view, designed according to 3 specific parameters. Only using environmentally friendly gases for domestic and commercial refrigeration, with almost zero impact, in accordance with the Global Warming Potential (GWP) standard. Re-engineering the equipment for a life cycle with zero impact, from production to disposal. Promoting innovative business models for the HoReCa sector. This, in brief, is the Icegreen project, which relies entirely on R290 gas, a natural hydrocarbon, HC, that is flammable but not toxic, with surprising properties. Launched here in Nemox in January 2018, the Icegreen project has taken shape through experimentation on a domestic machine model. R290 gas immediately demonstrated not only the possibility of making the machine work, replacing hydrofluorocarbons, but also obtaining improved performance, transforming what we used to consider technical limits into surprising opportunities of development for more evolved and sustainable machines. To pursue and complete the project, only one further obstacle remained: investment to convert the entire company, machines and production lines. In September 2018, we presented our new project to the EU as part of the LIFE programme, which was approved in March 2019, becoming one of 31 winners out of 106 presented.
I think you are now curious to understand which results have been obtained with the realization of this project. We turn this question towards a Procuranti, project leader and general manager of Nemox. I point out that you can find further details on the project and production in the videos enclosed in the Nemox exhibitor documents list. Now I pass the word to Walter Procuranti, who will illustrate the results obtained.
Thanks to the Icegreen project, we believe we have obtained significant results in the technological, environmental, production and energy efficiency aspects. The redesign and manufacture of the series of machines, both domestic and professional, enabled HFC gases to be eliminated and replaced with R290, with a consequent 99.96% reduction in terms of environmental impact. The graphic shows the comparison in terms of kilograms of CO2 equivalent between machines loaded with HFCs and the same machines with R290. For domestic machines, the loads of CO2 equivalent pass from 90 kilograms to 10 grams. For professional machines, depending on their sizes, from hundreds of kilograms to a few hundred grams. An additional result attained from the machines of the Icegreen project is improved thermal power. That is, the ability to reach a lower temperature in less time. The graphics highlight how machines that use R290 are able to reach a lower temperature than machines loaded with HFC gases, and in less time. This advantage makes it possible to obtain smaller crystals, and so a creamier and pastier gelato. By way of example, I will show 3 graphics, one for domestic machines and 2 for commercial machines. In all 3 cases, it can be seen how the machines loaded with R290 perform better. The use of R290 has also enabled us to use components that require a lower quantity of energy, and so a saving in terms of electricity, ranging from 10% to 30%. This leads to a lower operating cost of the machine, and an additional benefit for the environment, since only around 0.65 kilograms of CO2 equivalent is emitted for every kilowatt hour of electricity.
Si emette circa 0,65 kg di CO2 equivalente.
The graphic compares the consumption in WH per kilogram of ice cream of machines loaded with HFCs and R290. The saving varies from 15% to 35%. In the 3 years 2021 to 2023, Nemox expects to release on the global market around 50,000 domestic machines and 8,000 commercial machines. Given the different loads of gas per machine, the switch from HFCs to R290 will bring a saving in terms of CO2 equivalent of more than 9,000 tons. Estimating that these machines, over the 3 years, will consume electricity during operation for more than 5 million hours. This will lead to a further saving in terms of CO2 equivalent of more than 1,000 tons approximately. Thanks to the Icegreen project, in the 3 years, around 10 million kilograms of CO2 equivalent will be saved overall. Finally, I think it is worth reporting that, thanks to the introduction of these machines, with good production capacity, reduced sizes and limited costs, they can now open up new business models for the professional world, within the reach of all and particularly respectful of the environment, both in the domestic and profession sectors. A change in the food system in favor of the environment is on the horizon, with the ability to make and offer high-quality foodstuffs, transformed on-site through equipment that is particularly respectful of these principles.
After the results, we now see the products, starting with the range of professional gelato machines.
Let's move on now to the range of professional machines that Nemox has developed within the Icegreen project, recognizable from the iGreen name. Models characterized by ease of use and available with wide variety of power settings and functions. Designed also as bench machines, perfect for the HoReCa and pastry markets. Like all Nemox machines, they enable the ice cream to be stored in the processing basket and are equipped with a safety system in the lid that stops the blade rotating when opened. Gelato Chef 3L and 5L Automatic produce around 850 to 1,000 grams of ice cream respectively in 20 minutes. Both machines operate in manual or automatic mode and are equipped with storage systems to keep the ice cream in the tub always at the perfect consistency for serving. The 2 models are equipped with removable 1810 stainless steel basket, but also enable ice cream or sorbet to be produced in the fixed basket, also in stainless steel. The added value of these machines is represented by the high quality of the production process. the primary objective of an entry-level series with a very low price. So allow me to introduce the series of the most powerful machines featuring touchscreens, Gelato 3K Touch and 4K Touch. Truly super automatic machines, ready to start with a brush of a key on the touchscreen. Once activated, they automatically whip up and store between 800 and 1,000 grams of gelato in each 12 to 15-minute cycle. All thanks to an advanced software application based on an algorithm that can regulate the operating times depending on the room temperature and the density of the ingredients. The storage system operates on 5 levels to keep the preparation from the softest to the firmest consistency depending on the ingredients that are being stored, whether ice cream or sorbet. Both models are equipped with a removable stainless steel basket and a transparent lid with a cap that can be opened during operation to add ingredients. But now, let's take a look at the bench machines designed to satisfy the most demanding professional. Gelato 5K Carrea and 6 Carrea operate both in manual and automatic modes. Both use a software application with 4 production programs for producing and quickly chilling artisan gelato or ice cream or sorbet, semi-soft ice cream, and granita. 4 storage levels are linked to each program, so the ice cream to be enjoyed is at its best by the consumer. The dedicated drainage on the front of the machine is designed to make cleaning the processing basket easier. In the 6K Crea, an inverter allows the blade rotation speed to be adjusted from 60 to 130 revolutions to incorporate the optimal amount of air in the preparation to guarantee an excellent result with any ingredient. The Crea series is completed by the Gelato 5 plus 5K Crea model, furnished with wheels that allows 2 different ice cream flavors to be produced at the same time. 2 control panels independently operate the 2 baskets, enabling ice cream to be produced and stored in one and granita in the other. In a 15-minute cycle, the Gelato 5K Crea produces around 1.2 kilos, equal to 70 portions an hour. In the case of the Gelato 6K Crea, as much as 1.7 kilos can be made, equal to around 100 portions per hour. In a 15-minute cycle, the Gelato 5 plus 5 Crea produces around 2.5 kilos, equal to around 140 portions an hour. For even greater production, Nemox offers an additional machine on wheels, the Gelato 10K model. A solid, effective, and easy-to-use machine thanks to the frontal drainage for cleaning the tub. It is able to produce 2 to 3 kilos of ice cream every 15 to 20 minutes, both in manual and automatic models, making around 150 portions an hour. Moreover, Gelato 10K is equipped with a simplified storage system. A fundamental feature common to the series of Crea and Gelato 10K machines should be noted. The stainless steel blade with quick coupling technopolymer scrapers with an elastic system that can keep the scraper in constant contact with the wall. In addition to machines for ice cream production, Nemox's Icegreen project also includes 2 compact systems for the storage and distribution of gelato, like the 4Magic Pro 100 model that has 4 gelato trays of 2.5 or 3.4 liters for a total of up to 13 liters. The storage temperature required can be set using the electronic control system that manages the thermodynamic equipment and the cabinet ventilation. This makes it possible to keep the temperature constant, preserving the quality of the ice cream. Finally, Gelato Suite 4 Pozzetti is the tub holder developed by Namox, a machine with a sophisticated design that offers the maximum flexibility for storing 4 8-liter containers or 8 4-liter tubs. An electronic control system enables the desired temperature to be set and viewed on the display. The innovative cooling system makes it possible to manage each individual container through its own evaporator, ensuring significant energy savings and more accurate temperature control. The limited air circulation also guarantees less pollution and degradation of the gelato. It stores up to 30 liters with power consumption equal to 75 watts an hour.
In the development of the project, we realized that our machine allowed to develop a new business model, where with equipment that are simple to use, easy to install and with low cost, it is possible to offer gelato of excellent quality, produced as it is sold, always fresh and served directly from the machine. A business that reduces the waste and can be started with a modest investment. The following video illustrates the concept and its implementations.
The Icegreen project was launched with the aim of proposing a new business model designed to optimize consumption and machinery purchase. The traditional gelato ice cream parlor requires batch freezers, pasteurizers, maturation tubs, chillers, freezers, display cabinets, and cooling towers. A classic outfit that requires a very sizable investment. Many thermodynamic systems use gas with high global warming potential, have high levels of electricity and water consumption for cooling, and require large and so costly premises. An investment that can only be justified by very high sales. So, when consumption and investment are more restricted, a new solution must be found for producing ice cream, including as part of a wider distribution organization. Let's find out how. The Icegreen project, thanks to the development of the Icegreen machines, offers an environmentally friendly and economical business opportunity designed for those who want to start a business aimed at the production of high-quality gelato and ice cream, or adding gelato production to an existing business. The basic concept is only producing gelato that can be sold on the same day, served directly from the machine that makes it. Thanks to the modularity of the Namox Icegreen machines, customized outfits can be created ad hoc, designed for specific businesses and the respective sales volumes, limiting waste and raising the quality of the product served to the end customer. To this end, the Icegreen project offers machines with plug-and-play practical installation, compact, that can easily be placed anywhere and connected to a normal single-phase socket, offering functional advantages. Environmentally friendly machines that do not use greenhouse gases. Savings in terms of energy thanks to thermodynamic motors and systems with low electricity consumption. No water consumption thanks to air cooling. Low machine costs thanks to the development of simple, basic mechanics. Easy access to the machines to favor technical assistance. But why choose Namox as a partner for a new concept of ice cream parlor? Because Namox products, like Icegreen Corner, offer specific advantages for professionals through technological innovations, such as the management software application installed on the machines that allows the ice cream to be kept in the processing basket by controlling both the thermodynamic system and the whisker, so that the ice cream is always ready to be served. For those who must deal with greater ice cream sales volumes, Namox has also developed a display cabinet and tub holder, both part of the Icegreen family that can be combined with the Icegreen Corner machines. The Icegreen machines can easily be placed in all types of settings, Here we see a design solution where a 5 kilogram per hour machine is fitted to a trolley. If greater quantities or more flavors are needed, a Pozzetti unit on wheels with a coordinated design can be added. An elegant solution that can also be placed in the dining hall of a restaurant. Nemox also offers 5 modules incorporating the machines, which can be combined to obtain personalized solutions tailored to the needs of the premises. The combination of these modules can meet all the needs of individual operators, as well as creating the basis for a franchising outlet, offering modular, expandable, economical, and customizable solutions. 2 modules contain 2 machines that enable ice cream to be produced, stored, and served directly from the source. The other 2 modules contain 2 storage systems. A corner cabinet completes the layout. Below, we illustrate some possible combinations at prices ranging from 10,000 to 30,000 euros. The first proposal combines a 10 kilogram per hour machine with a 4-flavor display cabinet for 13 liters. In less than 1 meter 60 centimeters, an ice cream point can be created where 100 people can be served an hour, offering 5 ice cream flavors. An even more compact solution allows 8 flavors of ice cream to be kept on a Pozzetti tub holder and another 2 to be kept in the machine. The hourly production rate is 10 kilograms an hour, making around 400 portions. The third proposal makes it possible to keep 4 ice cream flavors in the machine and another 8 in a tub holder. In this way, it is possible to have around 500 portions. In an area of only 4 square meters, 2 machines can be placed in a corner for production and service, in addition to the display cabinet and tub holders. With this solution, 600 portions in 15 flavors can be offered.
Nemox is world leader in the production of gelato machines for home use. We could not, of course, overlook this sector. We have completely renewed the range, further improving performances and at the same time creating environmental-friendly machines.
I imagine you are asking yourselves, in what way is the sustainable breakthrough sought by Nemox being achieved? Allow me to present to you our whole Icegreen range in detail, starting with the new generation of environmentally friendly machines for the home, entirely produced in Italy by Nemox. And here is the domestic gelato maker par excellence, designed to meet the needs of every family. Small, fast, effective, economical, Gelato Chef 2200 is our first machine and one of the machines most copied by Asian competitors, but, allow me to say, unsuccessfully. Our gelato maker, designed and produced entirely in Italy, is able to automatically prepare around 800 grams, that is 1.2 liters of ice cream or sorbet, in 25 to 30 minutes, with a consumption of only 45 watts and in accordance with the ecological parameters of the Icegreen range. Gelato Chef 2200 makes possible production both in the fixed basket and in the removable basket provided. Now let's take a look at Gelato Talent, which has real talent in producing gelato and is presented in a contemporary, functional design with a green heart, an ecological calling that shines through in the aesthetics. A distinctive feature is the position of the motor, placed above the freezing basket, which controls the patented mixing blades from that position, perfectly compatible both with the fixed basket and with the removable basket. Both are designed for the utmost ergonomic efficiency and enable the easiest and most convenient extraction of the finished gelato. Ice cream and sorbets are frozen to perfection thanks to the excellent quality of the mixing, which enables an even distribution of the product temperature, prepared in only 25 to 30 minutes with a consumption of 45 watts for around 800 grams. But let's come now to the ecological evolution of Gelatissimo exclusive Icegreen. our most widely sold and popular machine on the market, the ideal solution for those looking for gelato and ice cream of professional quality in the home, in full compliance with the latest sustainable standards. Gelatissimo exclusive Icegreen is our powerful, sturdy machine, a great worker, attentive to the environment, and easy to use. Simple, intuitive controls, like the 3 switches on the solid steel panel, which control the turning on and operation of the compressor and mixing blades. What's the difference? Once started, within only 20 to 25 minutes, it produces up to a kilo of gelato and ice cream with a perfect structure, ready to be served immediately, without resting in the freezer. A considerable advantage compared to the machines produced in the Far East, which, in addition to greater environmental impact, require an additional step in the freezer after production, since the ice cream has not reached the consistency required for consumption. For production with Gelatissimo exclusive Icegreen, it is possible to use both the fixed and the removable baskets, both in 1810 stainless steel, with a consumption of only 60 watts. We know that the world's fans of gelato and gourmet ice cream may desire even more advanced equipment, capable of not only producing excellent ice cream, but also storing it better in the tub over time. Fortified with the know-how developed in the professional field, Nemox also offers this possibility in the domestic segment in 2 specific models that are able to detect the consistency of the preparation and automatically turn the compressor and mixing blade on and off as necessary, thanks to a software application specifically developed by Nemox. Only in this way can ice cream be stored in the production basket at the perfect density for consumption. A function dedicated to the world's true ice cream lovers. Gelato Pro 1700 Up, created by the pencil of a renowned designer, is manufactured with a painted metal body and can be used in both manual and automatic modes. Simple to use and able to guarantee professional results, it produces up to a kilo of ice cream in only 20 to 25 minutes, using both the fixed and the removable baskets, both in 1810 stainless steel, with a consumption of only 62 watts. Gelato Next One Lottomatica, a technology-advanced gelato machine, super automatic, with high-quality standards in terms of functionality and the finished product. Gelato Next One Lottomatica is ahead of its time. Indeed, just brushing one of the touchscreen keys is enough to start it, launching a sophisticated software application that can read information from density sensors and temperature probes, independently managing the production and boasting up to 5 levels of ice cream storage. Gelato Next One Lottomatica produces up to a kilo of ice cream in 20 to 25 minutes for a consumption of only 62 watts, with both fixed and removable baskets, both in 1810 stainless steel.
Today's event ends here. In tomorrow's event, we will have with us Marco Martinelli, Italian champion of gourmet gelato, that will present 3 appetizing and curious recipes, combining the gelato made with Nemox Icegreen machines to pizza and pasta, the Italian tradition. In the following day, we will feature Carmela Grotta, gelato teacher at Casta Alimenti. She will use the Nemox Icegreen machines, making in an easy way 3 recipes of the Italian tradition: hazelnut gelato, lemon sorbet, and tiramisu. Thank you for your attention, and if the topics illustrated have met your interest, we ask you to please fill out a very short anonymous questionnaire that you can find on the homepage of our website www.nemox.com. Thank you and arrivederci.